Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to configure Modbus TCP on the Micro850, so enjoy the video. Open the Connected Components Workbench. Next, create a new project. Then click on Controller and choose Micro850 80L50E48QWB from the list. Then, set the IP configuration on the CPU. For example, I set the IP address to 192.168.10.1. And set the subnet mask to 255.255.255.0. Next, make sure the server state is enabled. Next, create a new ladder diagram program. Then click on Global Variables and create a variable for your address on Modbus TCP. For example, I created a variable named register with data type bool and dimension 0, 4. I also created variables input_1 to input_5 in the program to activate the coil registers. Next, open the program and create a simple ladder diagram to activate the coil register. Then open the Modbus Map and link your register variable to the Modbus Map. Here, the purpose is to assign the register as the Modbus address so the data can be transferred. Here in the Modbus Map, we use the coil register for data transfer. And then build the program and download it to the PLC. After downloading the program, open the Modbus master and configure it just like in this video.